What's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a first look at unboxing the all new Minix. Let's get right into it. This little small parts box. So in this small parts box it looks like we received the pegs. Looks like it's the bolt to install the pegs. Toolkit, little bell. A little extra cable wrap. Yeah, this is going to be the charger. Oh. That was actually pretty easy. So now we're going to take our cutters and we are going to release the wheel from the bike. Wheel over here. So now we're going to inspect the seat post. You take a 6mm Allen wrench, tighten up the seat to the seat post just to make sure that it's fully in there. Apply a little bit of grease into where the seat post goes into and the seat tube. Slide the seat post in. And then until it's nice and snug, into the stand. What we're going to start with is getting those handlebars on. Where we will take our cutters and we will very carefully cut these zip ties to free the handlebars. So now we're going to focus on getting the stem around. We're going to use our 6mm Allen wrench. Then we'll be grabbing our 4mm, loosening up that stem cap just a little bit, straighten that out, tighten the headset back up, and then we will very lightly tighten the stem itself. With your 6mm, you're going to remove the stem faceplate. So now we can get the handlebars on there. We'll reinstall the faceplate. So now we're going to install the front wheel. And then move the block from the disc brake caliper. With a 17mm wrench. Now we're going to go in our parts box and we're going to grab the pegs. So you'll notice on here that there's a left one and there's a right one. This is going to be the safety bolt that goes through to secure the pegs down. So we will start with the right peg first. We're going to apply just a dab of grease on the threads there, same as on the bottom bracket shell. The direction on the right peg is actually reverse thread, so you could just follow that arrow there. Then we are going to take a screwdriver and we'll apply it here and then just give it a nice tug. And we will repeat the same steps on the left peg. Is clockwise threaded, so this is going to thread in righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. All right, so now that we got both pegs installed, we're going to be looking at the security bolt here. We need a 14mm socket wrench with an extension, and then we're going to need an 8mm Allen wrench. It doesn't matter which way you put it in, Allen wrench. And then we'll leave that there. So put the nut into the socket, and then you can give it a nice snug tighten. So now we're going to use our cutters to take off the rest of the packaging. So now that we got everything put together and we got the rest of the packaging off of the bike, we can now take it down from the bike stand and we can revisit the handlebar area and adjust and tighten everything up to be most comfortable for us. We will pitch the bars to where we feel is most comfortable. We will snug that down. Make sure that the handlebars are nice and straight. Then we can tighten up the side bolts. We'll test the bike. Put the bike on the kickstand. It works. All that's left that you guys need to do is you just need to pump up the tires to the recommended PSI. You throw it on the charger and then just go rip it around. That's how you build a Mini 20.